Can you turn it up? No, no, trust me, it'll come out. So, John, I just want you to think I'm going to be singing your internal voice, okay? Just the words out of my mouth are really what's going on in your head, probably for most of your life.
We're getting deep.
We're getting deep. This is getting serious.
Psychology coming in.
Psychology's coming in. And then also, we wrote a special verse in honor of the issues you've been having with some of the neighbors. See if you can pick it out, ladies and gentlemen. One of these things is not like the other. I dreamed last night I was on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I had brought my dice along, and there I stood, and I hollered someone fade me, but the passengers, they knew right from wrong. And the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. The people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under by the sharp lapels of your pinstripe coat. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And as I sailed with those passengers to heaven, by some chance I found a bottle in my fist, and there I stood, nicely passing out the whiskey, but the passengers were bound to resist. And the people all said, beware, you're on a heavenly trip. The people all said, beware, beware, you'll scuttle the ship. And the devil will drag you under by the fancy tie round your wicked throat. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And as I laughed at those passengers from heaven, a great big wave came and washed me overboard. And as I sank, and I hollered, someone save me, that's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord. And I said to myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. I said to myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under with a soul so heavy you'll never float. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Now see if you can catch the special verse. I dreamed last night I had a show in Old Laguna, and by some chance a neighbor said I shouldn't play. And as I sang, the neighbor called the cops out, but the audience knew just what to say. And the people all said, shut up, you'll ruin the show. The people all said, shut up, or better you go. Even the devil likes good music. One more time, right there. Even the devil likes good music, and you've made yourself a running joke. Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Shut up, stop rocking our boat.
Yeah!
That one's for you, John.